I am Gayatri, working as assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the topic MOSFET, which is a metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. It is one of the type of transistor which was studied by the students first year second semester for the subject circuit analysis and devices. Today in the topic MOSFET, I am going to discuss about the MOSFET features and the construction and what are the terminals in the MOSFET and what are the regions in the MOSFET. In between the presentation there will be a classroom activity. At last the assessment question will be there based on the topic we have discussed. Coming to the Today I am going to discuss about the MOSFET introduction, feature, their construction, the working principle of the MOSFET and their types of the MOSFET, their characteristics, their VA characteristics, their advantage, disadvantage. At last the application will be discussed. Coming to the introduction part of MOSFET, the name MOSFET abbreviated as metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, which is commonly known as MOSFET. The MOSFET, which is used mainly for switching application, and also it is used in amplifier circuits. The FET devices, which is classified into two types, which is junction field effect transistor and metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. The name field effect transistor, it is a voltage controlled device. The gate terminal voltage is controlled. By controlling this gate terminal voltage, the current will be flowing from other two terminals. So it is the JFET and as well as MOSFET, it is also called as voltage control device. And the MOSFET, we know all the transistor terminal will be having only 3 terminals, and also the MOSFET is also constructed by using the 3 terminals. The terminals of the MOSFET are named as source, drain, gate, and the body terminal will be there, which is not be used in all practical cases. Coming to the construction part of MOSFET, the source terminal, drain terminal and gate terminal will be there. MOSFET will be classified into two types, which is depletion mode and enhancement mode. In the depletion mode, there will be N channel N channel and also P channel, and enhancement mode also there will be N channel enhancement mode and P channel enhancement mode. First, the basic construction of the MOSFET. Here we are taking the P channel, and the P channel will be there, and N layer will be doped in the P layer. In the N layer, the terminal source and drain will be taken out. From the P layer, the metal oxide layer, which is silicon dioxide layer, will be dumped. So it is also called as metal oxide semiconductor. After that, the oxide layer, the gate terminal will be taken out. So the gate is insulated from both the terminal source and drain. So the MOSFET is also called as insulated gate field effect transistor. The working principle of MOSFET: when the voltage is applied to the gate terminal, depending upon the width of the channel region, the electron will be, that is the current will be flowing from drain terminal to source terminal. When the channel is wider, the better conductivity will be obtained in the MOSFET. The MOSFET types we have already discussed with its enhancement mode and depletion mode. In enhancement mode, there will be a P channel and N channel, whereas in also the depletion mode, P channel and N channel. Where in the depletion mode there is no channel will be present, in enhancement mode the channel will be present. The operating regions of the MOSFET, in the characteristics of the MOSFET, we can describe the 3 operating regions, which is cutoff region, ohmic region and saturation region. In the cutoff region, we know simply say the MOSFET will be in turn off condition. It will be behaves as an open switch. Whereas in ohmic region, when we are increasing the current with the value of VDS, the MOSFET will be operated. That is, the the MOSFET will be active in this ohmic region, and also it is also used as amplifier in this ohmic region. And coming to the saturation region, the MOSFET have their IDS, and there will be an increase of current. Current when we are increasing the drain gate voltage. In this region, the device will be in saturated range. That is, it will be in closed switch. Then coming to the classroom activity is related to the topic MOSFET. Next, we are going to discuss about the application part of MOSFET. Mostly the MOSFET will be used in radio amplifier circuits for amplification purpose, and also it is behaves as a passive circuit element, and also it regulates the DC motors, and widely it is used in chopping circuits as well as the clipping circuit. The MOSFET will be used. Coming to the advantages, the MOSFET will be used compared to other transistor because of its greater efficiency, and also it has the higher input impedance compared to FET devices as well as bipolar junction transistor. Then coming to the disadvantage, although it is having a major advantage, it is vulnerable to the charges due to it is having a metal oxide thin layer. And also the MOSFET voltage will be unstable when we are giving the overload. Then coming to assessment question, which of the following terminal does not belong to the MOSFET? Drain, gate, base and source. The base terminal will be one of the terminal of BJT. Choose the correct statement. The MOSFET is a voltage controlled device. The MOSFET is not a current control device. The arrow of the symbol MOSFET indicates it is a direction of electrons flowing from drain terminal to source terminal. Thank you. Thank you for listening.